Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the question answer of the chapter dogs. Okay, before that, we have already discussed some of the questions, and today we will discuss the question number C. Okay, so let's see the questions. Given below are the lines of the poem of dog. Okay, they are not in order. Arrange the lines properly to get the poem. Don't see the poem while ordering. Okay, write the serial numbers in the boxes. Then check your answer with the poem. Okay, so in the box you will write down the numbers. Sequentially you will write down the numbers. Okay, so let's start. So the first line is the dogs I know. So here we will write number 1. Okay, next. The second line is the dogs I know have many shapes. Okay, so here we will write number 2. Next, some are big and tall. Okay, some are big and tall. So here we will write number 3. Okay, next, some are long. Okay, so here we will write number 4. Okay, next, some are thin. Okay, so it is number 5. Next, some are fat and small. Okay, so here we will write number 6. Next, and some are so thin that, so here it is number 7, and this is number 8. They seem to have no shape at all. Okay, I will repeat. This is number 1, the dogs I know. Okay, next, have many shapes, number 2. Next, some are big and tall, number 3. Next, some are long. Okay, here is number 4. Next, and some are thin. Here is number 5. Okay, next, and so and some are fat and small. Okay, so it is number 6. Next, and some are so thin. Okay, it is number 7, and they seem to have no shape at all, number 8. Okay, thank you, students.